buds! If you take a balloon and fill it with a marble or a piece of plasticine and then wrap an elastic around it and flip the balloon inside out, inflate the balloon, and now you have a standing wobble balloon. I cut out some feet for mine, some wings, a beak, and some eyes. Then I added some tail feathers and some feathers on the top of his head, and he is such an adorable little wobble balloon. Fun tip, if you didn't know this, you can use hot glue on balloons as long as the tip of your glue gun doesn't touch the balloon. Happy crafting! Hey buds, let's make an Easter friendship bracelet. We'll start with a cardboard circle and separate it into 8 different sections. I'm going to cut 8 different notches out on mine and then cut out the center. Now you can pull 7 pieces of yarn or string through the center hole. See, we have 7 set up. There should be 1 empty spot. Now count 2 threads up from the empty spot and move that to the empty spot. So you're moving every 3rd piece of yarn. Just keep doing this in a circular pattern and eventually you'll have a friendship bracelet. Isn't this the sweetest? I chose some fun Easter colors. What are you gonna pick? Happy crafting! Happy crafting! Happy crafting! Happy crafting! Happy crafting!
Yeah!